Don't get my bald spot.
Do you need help?
You guys are gonna maybe get a chance to win one of these. That's muscles right there. Let's get upstairs.
I got it.
You just move, baby. Move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? Got me on my knees.
Welcome back to the channel. See this bubbling, hun? This is what you want when you're making wine. You want to see this Did you hear that? Grab the camera. Grab the camera. Bring it over here. Follow me.
Hang on.
Hurry up. It's here, I think. The thing I wanted to show you. These subscribers are not going to believe this. Come here. Follow me.
I'm coming.
Come down this way.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's here. Don't get my bald spot, please. I tell you, you guys are going to maybe get a chance to win one of these. Oh my God. There, it's here, hon. It's here.
What
Do
is
you see it? Here it is, hon. Come here, look.
Oh my
I've
God.
been waiting for this to be delivered. And like I said, somebody's going to win one of these because they're sending 2 of them.
That is so cool.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And it's what? It's called Calefort. This is I won't say it until we get up. I'm curious how heavy this thing is. It says it's 58 NW and 75 GW. That seems heavy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's just get upstairs and get this reviewed.
Do you need help?
Why don't you sit that camera down? All right, hon, go get the door.
Okay.
75 GW and 58. Oh.
You get it?
I'm trying.
Do you want me to help you?
Oh, yeah, come get this.
Just wait.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
That's muscles right there. Let's get upstairs.
I got it.
All right, we finally got this thing upstairs. It was heavy, wasn't it, hon?
Yes.
Now we're going
you.
to open this box and show you what it's in here because this is what's going to take this channel over the top. I told a lot of you about this. Calefort sent us to do a complete review on and give an honest opinion on this thing. So let's open this up and get this thing out so we can check it out.
I'm so excited. I have always wanted one of these, always.
I'll tell you one thing, this box is very well packed.
Yeah.
I see styrofoam, oh my.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna need your help. Serious styrofoam.
Very well packed. All right, let's see it, hon. Spin that sucker around to the front and we'll take that top off.
Take this off. Oh, I love it already. Black.
It says this thing's stainless steel. I tell you, this would fit under a cabinet perfect too. Let's get that up here on the counter.
Oh, I love how narrow it is.
Don't drop it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's not as bad as I thought.
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah.
So well made. Let's get into the review. We finally got it up on the counter here just so we could do this review. It is not stained here. We got a special spot for it over in the corner. But so far, I tell you, I've been impressed. Now, this is the Calefort 27 bottle wine fridge. It's an affordable wine fridge that anybody who makes wine can definitely afford. And I even got a discount code that Calefort gave to us so you can actually get, I think it's a 15% discount. I'll put a link in the description. But what is taking you so long?
Well, it's noisy and you're talking so.
Oh my gosh. That is a beautiful stainless steel. Oh my goodness. How many shelves are in there?
Oh, 1, 2, 6, and then a little thing at the bottom too.
Cool. All right, I'm ready to get this plugged in. What do you think?
Yeah.
I know you want to clean it up first.
Yeah.
My wife is already shining this thing up. We didn't even start the review. And then we're going to plug it in and we're going to actually check the temperature. This thing has ideal temperature from 39 degrees to 65 Fahrenheit, which will cover all your white and red wines. All right, we got it plugged in and look at that blue light. It is beautiful. My wife is now going to get all the stuff out of here, like the foam tabs. You can take a couple of these racks out if you want to. That's what makes this flexible. But I tell you, the quality is incredible in this thing. And what I like is it will cool down within 40 minutes of whatever you have it set to, because it's got a very high efficient compressor. All right, we went down to our wine cellar in the basement. We got some of our favorite wines, but my wife's just noticed something. What is that?
They actually give you an extra hinge so that if you don't want it to open this direction, you can take and put this hinge over here. The holes are already there, and you can just switch which way it opens. Some people prefer it one way or the other.
Are you sure about that?
Yep. You can do it with your refrigerator too, you know.
You know, a lot of people put these under their counter, and, you know, obviously when you switch it, you might not want it to hit the dishwasher or something like that. Now, one thing about this wine refrigerator is it has a controller here. You can set your temperature to whatever you prefer. Whites or reds or somewhere in between. And another feature this has, it's got that blue light button at the top that turns this into blue mode. I love that color. It's time to get some bottles in here, I think.
Well, I like that the shelves are removable in case we need to clean. That's really nice.
Or
if you
bigger bottles, right?
Yeah, bigger bottles. The other thing is it says it has built-in humidity control, which is a big deal.
Oh yeah, for a wine connoisseur that's got an expensive wine cellar, they got all kinds of equipment to handle that. This one's got it built in, which is nice.
It also has the double pane UV protection.
Why are you looking? Take two.
The other thing that's really nice, because we have a very bright home, it has the double pane glass UV door, which will protect the wine, even though it's up here in our bright home.
And block that light out, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you want one of these, honey, how do people get that?
Well, that's what I was going to say. Calefort.com, and they've been very gracious. So we're going to put a link in the description. And anything that you purchase from them, they will give you an additional 15% off for using our link. So I thought that was very nice.
There we got some of our favorite wine bottles out. Now it's time to get this loaded up. I think we should put it in place. What do you think?
I think it's going to be hard to move if we put some in now. Don't you?
Let's move it.
Yeah, let's put it where we're going to put it.
Shh. Do you hear that? This thing is dead silent. The noise you might be hearing is my refrigerator. But this thing, after 24 hours, is keeping everything at the perfect temperature, 55. It is perfectly chilled. Alrighty, honey, it's time to get this loaded up.
Yay.
We got a wine fridge.
I know. Well, the one thing too is they did tell you can put your bottles in a couple different ways. You can do it like this, or you can do it facing the other way. I kind of like it this way. Which way do you want?
I like it because we can see the label on it.
Yeah,
But
I do too.
a lot of people put them backwards for some reason. And again, this holds 27 Bordeaux bottles, which are, you know, your more narrow, your standard. You could take trays, obviously, out to hold bigger bottles if you got some. Why are you doing it now? I'm switching it.
I don't know. Well, turn it this way. Yeah, I like it that way. But you can slide this out to see. Do you want me to turn them around? Mm-hmm. I think it's just preference. I don't think it matters, right? But I do like seeing the cork and the label.
One thing you'll notice about my bottles, for the most part, I try and put in an initial at the top so I can see what it is. And in this case, it would help a little bit.
I wish I could drink one of these right now. And this is a larger one. So you can see that this one fits in here just fine as well. Got plenty of room for more.
You got them all in there, honey?
I do, and we have plenty of room to put more in. I'm really surprised. I did not think all that was going to fit in there.
I think it literally would hold more than 27 if you put some on the bottom rack.
Well, they actually lay them sideways on this rack. Mm-hmm. You can lay them down across here to get more in. I think we're good, you know, having that many up here at once.
Make sure you
like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
And I hope you like this review because we had fun doing it. Thank you for Calefort for sending us to it.
Yes.
I'm going to probably do an update video at some point to show you after a couple months if this thing is still holding up. But I'm sure it is. It's a very high quality unit.
Yeah.
And they're very well known across the world.
You just move, baby.